So children, I want to show you an example for the activity based on understanding quadrilaterals. You just follow how I am doing so that you can make use of the same in making the types or the models for the activity given. So if you check, the materials required are congruent quadrilateral types. I took square here. So total of 4 congruent squares I took. If you observe, so 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 congruent. I hope you understood. Congruent means they should be of same size and shape. The length and the shape should be same, and you can make use of 4 different type of color papers to cut the quadrilateral. And if you don't have, just use the white sheets just as I'm using. So as you know, quadrilateral will carry 4 angles. So I marked 4 angles for all these 4 squares using pencil and scale. Now what I'm going to do is, so I'm marking the angles as 1, 2, 3 and 4, which I am going to do for the rest of the 3 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4. Please be careful. Don't change or alter the angles which we are mentioning here. So for the first one you wrote 1 here, and for the second one you wrote 1. For different quadrilaterals it will be a problem. For square it won't be, but maintain the same angle types for the quadrilaterals which you are taking. I took square. You can take rectangle or a trapezium or a parallelogram or any shape of quadrilateral with 4 sides. Now I am going to mark the angles. For the angle 1 I am using green. If you have sketch pens, you can make use of sketches. So 1 I am using green to mark 1. And likely I am using orange to mark 2. And for 3 I am using brown. And 4 I am using blue. So we are done. 1 I marked with green, and angle 2 I just marked with orange, 3 with brown and 4 with blue. So through this what we are going to learn is, so the first congruent circle, the first congruent square I am keeping here. Just to it I am planning to join angle 2 of the second congruent square. 1, 2, and then 3 of the third congruent square I am going to join with 2 like this. And the fourth angle of the congruent square I am going to join like this. 4. So if you observe, angle 1, 2, 3, 4. All together they form an angle of 360 degrees. If you observe, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. Through this what we can understand is the sum of all the angles of any quadrilateral is going to be 360 degrees. Okay, hope you are clear. If we can try with different types of quadrilaterals, you will find the same. Okay, just for your idea, I want to show you the different models which we can use to do this kind of activity from the textbook itself. Look children, I am there at page number 56 of our textbook. Okay, so if you can check the respective page, you can see a different types of quadrilaterals, namely, okay, look, a parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, quite. As I have used quite square, you just try with rest of the other models, just like the thing I did. You will absolutely find the sum of all the angles is going to be 360 degrees. So hope you are quite clear. Not only this, you can try with so many other quadrilaterals like trapezium and all. So try to do that activity and post it by today afternoon, so that I will exhibit the same into our respective groups. Thank you.